everyone, my name is Katrinajah Sabilillah. I am an information system student. My ID number is 2025-32062, and this is my first recording of graphic design class practice. So in this video, I will be explaining to you my step-by-step to designing my design. So yeah, let's do this. First of all, even before my first assignment, even before my first class, I was already going to make my own keychain. And that particular keychain was an ID card keychain, which is the design that we are supposed to make. So I was already designing mine, and then I got an assignment about making ID cards, so 2 birds, 1 stone. And then for the tools that I used Figma, of course, because we are required to use Figma, and I used Canva. So you might be wondering, if you're already using Figma, why are you using Canva? Well, simple, because my Figma is free and my Canva is pro. And I only use Canva for my pictures to remove the background because that is paid in Figma. Well, it is also paid in Canva, but my Canva is pro anyway, so I also use my painting app in my tablet. I forgot what the name is. The name is GoPaint. Yeah, I don't know if it's available for global, but it's my device. It came with my device, and I am also going to use my device's editing app for this video, if that's included. And that is for the tools that I used for the design. And there is also another app that I indirectly use for designing, which is Pinterest, to find reference and just finding ideas. Next, as to step by step, of course, also another app I use is my Note app in my tablet, because I do most of my mind maps, my drafts. I put them in my Note app. I begin there, so I made this. This is my draft of what I'm going to put in my ID card. How do I want my ID card to look like? As you can see, the vibe that I'm going for is like an actual ID card, your nationality and all, your driver's license. Yeah, I'm going for that vibe. So continuing from that, I went on to Figma and make the base. And then I wasn't going much from there because I got no idea left. So I went to my painting app, and then I make some elements, some doodles, if you may. I made a star, I made wings, I made strawberries, and I made Tamagotchi. If you're wondering what's a Tamagotchi, it's basically this little toy, like a keychain kind of toy, where you have a little pet inside. It's an old game, but I made it it's like a little keychain to my ID card, which is going to be another keychain. It's complicated, but it's there. It's more of a last minute kind of idea, but I like it very much. So I made those in my GoPaint app, and then I transferred that to the Figma, and I put it together there, which is about the hardest part, because it's so hard to control them when you're so used to using Canva where everything is so easy. Yeah, I can definitely understand why Figma is a more professional app, because how much customization you can actually do that you are unable to do in Canva. But there is pros and cons for everything. Personally, for my usual design, I prefer using Canva because it's easier, there is more elements, and it's basically more amateur friendly. And And after putting it together, I don't know what else to explain here. Maybe I should explain why I put certain things. Well, there's my information, my name, my birthday, my status, I'm a student, and then my nationality, and my autograph. Yeah, because I was looking for like a kind of driver's license vibe. And okay, we're going to focus on the front part, and then I'll go explain the back part. And as you can see, the background is a lot of strawberries that I drew. I like strawberries a lot, and I love pink. So yeah, basically the reason why it's like the main colors are pink and white is because my favorite color is pink and white. As you can see right now, I'm wearing pink and white. As you can see on the back, my pillow is pink and white. I love pink and white. Next up is my picture. I actually waited to design until I got an actual cute picture of myself. It was a picture from a Polaroid. Anyway, it was a soft file from a photo box that I went to with my friends during like a while, not a while ago, just a few days before. And I like that picture a lot, so I'm using that. And next, I'm going to talk about the little star. Oh, I also draw that little star because I love stars actually. Oh, I'm going to add pictures of my baby Franklin. That is one of my favorite like plushies. And then I'm going to show you my other things too. I really like stars. As elements and in general, I like stars. And then you have a clover there. I don't know, it just looks cute. I don't really put much thought into the clover, but I guess because it's cute and because I'm no, I don't think so. So next up is the star and the wings. They're cute. I like the aesthetic. And what else do I want to say? Maybe that's all for the front part. Oh, the barcode and the QR code, actually, you can actually scan them, but if you scan the barcode, that's only going to lead you to a text file, which is my student ID number. And then if you scan the QR code, it's going to lead you to my website. Yes, back in first semester, we have an assignment to make our own website, and that is my website, so go check it out. Next up, let's go to the back part. Okay, so in the back part, there's only like the star and the wings because I like that one very much. And the background is just plaid that I made in Figma. It's just a bunch of squares, like a bunch of, not squares, it's just a bunch of rectangles put together. And I think that's it. And yeah, I think that's all of it. And the Tamagotchi, I don't think I should explain anything to you because it's very clear, I think. So yeah, that's all, and bye bye.